Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And what is ghost mode? When you enable ghost mode, nobody can trace your current location. So let me show you how to enable that mode on Snapchat. So first open up your Snapchat and then click here on your profile icon, and next tap on gear icon to open up settings. And once you are on settings, scroll down until you find see my location. And now here you can enable ghost mode, so now only some of my friends can check my location, and if I enable ghost mode, nobody will be able to see my location. I can enable ghost mode for 3 hours, 24 hours or until turned off, so I select the third option and now ghost mode are always enabled on that account. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.